Respect the silence. This is original audio by AE33 YouTube channel. What you hear is the power of silence, and what you see is the power of emotion.
And distinguished guests, please rise for the national anthem of India.
Kids of all ages, we're only 1 minute away from the start of a pyro-musical presentation of world-class caliber. After the pyrotechnical display has concluded, we would ask that everyone take the time to safely exit the park. Please be patient and be sure to respect the park and place all your recyclables in the containers provided and litter in the trash cans. At this time, GlobalFest would like to thank all of you for coming to Elliston Park this evening.
Votre attention, chers amis, familles et invités de marque. Nous sommes à seulement 1 minute du début d'un spectacle pyro-musical de classe internationale. Au terme de ce spectacle de feux d'artifice, nous demandons à tous nos invités de prendre le temps de sortir du parc en toute sécurité. Veuillez vous montrer patient et vous assurer de respecter le parc ainsi que ses voisins en plaçant tous vos déchets recyclables dans les conteneurs prévus à cet effet et vos autres déchets dans les poubelles à votre disposition. Nous vous souhaitons la bienvenue au Festival international de feux d'artifice de GlobalFest. Le compte à rebours débutera dans quelques instants. Et maintenant, le moment que nous attendons tous. Commençons le compte à rebours de cette édition de ce soir du Festival international de feux d'artifice.
And now, the moment we have all been waiting for. Let's count down to begin tonight's edition of the International Fireworks Festival. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान में miss ya. I just from the start. I'm going to the party, never give you enough. Let me get in the car. It's alright with you, it's alright with me. Because you come and I say leave you with me. Now I got you, my ride. Tell me what you're not. Tell me what I'm moving on, cruising on. I didn't know that you
friends, family, distinguished guests. This marks the end of tonight's show. If you are traveling by shuttle bus, make your way to the Southland exit on 17th Avenue. And remember, the last bus leaves at 11:30 p.m. Please exit the park in a safe and orderly manner, taking time to deposit any garbage and recyclables in the appropriate containers. Thank you for being a part of this evening's festivities, and we look forward to seeing you at the next presentation.